Oh my god, I didn't mean to do that. Today is a beach day. Since summer is like coming to an end, you know, why not go to the beach? Plus it's gonna be hot probably out here. Yeah, today's a beach day, so we're getting up really early. Have to be out the house by 9:45, and I sound like I smoke 100 cigarettes a day, but yeah, I figured why not film it, because I haven't been filming shit. Makeup for me, eyeshadow has not been going well, and today is a good baby hair day. I know you see it, but oh yeah. So now I'm gonna go take a shower, put on my clothes, and I'll be back when we're probably in the car or maybe at the beach. But I'm tired as fuck, so see you then.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a hold up. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to make it. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account, because when I need money, I ain't tryna hold up. He know he giving his money to make it. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account, because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing me. Know I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Matt.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pass it back.
These are good.
Beach chip tea.
Mom's a real one.
I know.
Oh my god, you're recording?
Yes,
Oh my god, it's just a vlog.
this is a vlog.
Hi vlog. Welcome back to Mia's vlog.
I don't even know if I'm gonna post this, but
We're too
she
cute.
forgot her glasses. But we're going to Weiler Beach. I don't know where that is.
Yes, I'm so sorry. Mia, you're recording. You put us on. I know. I was like, girl.
I see the reverse. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this.
So we got to the beach, and that is yours. At the beach.
My back. Oh.
Oh my god. Other way. We're at the beach, and we think the sand is fake. Here's the view.
It's too hot.
Word. This is our view. But yeah, we're probably gonna wait. Ooh. Hi. We're probably gonna wait to take pictures and all that jazz, but right now it's hot and I'm tired. It took us forever to get the stuff over here. Like, that was a hassle going downhill and stuff, but now we're settled and yeah.
She walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. I see the reverse. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I remember when I bought out.
Bicycle pimp shit.
He say you all about money. I want that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, attitude. I'm in that Even listen, telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tell him he said gon' make it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a stank if he really. I don't be trusting these streets cause they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser. Move to the top on two in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Your bitches first and they flocking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper Daniela, I'm always in Gucci. Yo mama don't bring your dad to the mall. Cause when he be in there she know he